Hey guys, my name's Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So I wanted to share with you guys two Boho Dollar Tree DIYs that I made, and the first one we're going to start out with is a faux stone textured planter slash cover pot, I guess. So let's get started. Alright guys, the first thing you're going to want to do is grab some of these small planters from Dollar Tree, and then you also want to get some lightweight spackling. I'm going to take the spackling and I'm just going to put it on the planter, and I'm just going to tap it into place rather than smear it around because this likes to slide. I'm also doing this because I want to give the planter a faux stone look, and this will give me that kind of texture. So now that this is all covered, I'm gonna let this dry overnight.
Later.
So here's the planter dry, and I'm gonna lightly sand it, but not too much because I want to keep the texture. Now I'm just gonna paint it, and you can pick whatever color you want. I'm gonna add in my boho-esque pattern, and I'm just gonna do the same pattern all around the planter. The last thing I'm going to do is seal this with some matte Mod Podge, and then we're done. Alright guys, so for our second Boho Dollar Tree project, you want to grab one of these cotton nautical ropes from Dollar Tree, and then you also want to get some of their yarn because we're going to be making, I guess it would be like a macrame cactus or a rope cactus. Measure out how big you want your cactus to be. This part here is going to be for the inside of the cactus, and make sure to have some extra rope hanging off of the ends because we're going to be adding fringe. I'm going to use a hot glue gun, and I'm going to dab some glue on the rope and then place my string on top of it to attach it to the rope, and then I'm just going to wrap my string all around the nautical rope. Once you get to the end, use your hot glue gun to secure the string onto the end of the rope. I want this part to be folded in half like this, stuck together, so I'm just going to use some hot glue to stick this together. Here, I'm taking some more rope, and this is going to be for the outside of our cactus, so I'm including the shaping of the little arms of the cactus, and you can make the arms as big or as little as you want them to be. Now that I know how much rope I'm going to use for the outside of the cactus, I'm going to wrap my string around it just like I did before. I'm going to take a little bit of string and I'm going to place this on the middle part of the top of the cactus right here, and I'm going to place it there because this is going to be how we're going to be able to hang our cactus. Now I'm just going to start hot gluing my cactus shape together. And then you can see that on the side, that's the back, you do see the hot glue, but then if you flip it over to the front, you can't see any of it. I'm gonna unravel the rope that's hanging off of the ends, and then I'm just gonna comb through it. Now I'm going to cut the rope to the length that I want my fringe to be. I'm taking some Dollar Tree twine and I'm going to wrap it around this part right here just to make everything look neater by the bottom of the cactus. And I added a dab of hot glue to the first part of twine to make it stick, and then I'm going to add in some hot glue to glue it off at the end. This is the only thing that's not Dollar Tree, and these are wooden beads that I got from Amazon a while ago, so I'm just going to slide them onto the string that I have hanging off of the top of the cactus. Make sure to knot off the top of the string, and then we're done. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe for more DIYs and stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!